In this video, I'm going to show you how you can organize multiple Google Chrome tabs using a feature which not many people actually know how to use. So as you can see here, I've got two categories. I've got a Make Money Online category, and these are tabs from research I was doing about making money online. I've also got a YouTube research tab, and these are tabs open from research I was doing about YouTube, right? So we can open and close these specific tabs, we can categorize them, and you can use these tabs for a business workflow. You can use them for categories of different tabs and websites that you visit often. This is incredibly useful, and it really allows you to browse and organize your web browser much easier and quickly. So I'm going to open up multiple tabs now, and we will categorize them and sort them out. So here we have some tabs open in the Bitcoin niche, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a button to open and close the Bitcoin tabs. Now these are just like news articles just for the example, but you could use this however you want. So to do this, I'm going to hold down Control on the keyboard, and then once you've done that, click on every tab that you want to add to the group, all while holding down Control. Once you've done that, right click on the last tab, then go Add Tabs to Group, then go New Group, and I'm going to call this BTC. I'm going to change it to orange for Bitcoin. We'll then click on Enter. Now what we can do is we can click on this button, and every time we click it, it's going to open or close them specific tabs. You can close out of Chrome, you can reopen it. This button will always stay here, but just open and close these tabs as you want, and you can really flick through these tabs very quickly and easily, and that's how you can do it. I hope that helped.